What's going on, 50 gang? So I was invited to go to Newtonville Ontario Hydro lines, and yeah, I thought it was going to be a little bit smoother terrain, and when I got there, let me tell you, these hills were huge. There was rocks, roots, stumps, sand. Like, I had to work the bike like a wild horse, okay? And yeah, it gave me a beating. I was sore as hell. I was gassed out. You know, it was a rough ride for a bike that's on 10-inch wheels, no gas suspension. And let me tell you, it was tough. It was tough. I felt like just letting go of the bike. I was so exhausted at that time I got back to do the whole trail ride. I was done. I was done. And yeah, there was a bunch of great guys there, and yeah, I did some big hill climbs that I never expected I was going to do. The biggest hill climbs I've done on my CRF50. So yeah, I was impressed with that. Will I go back to this trail? Definitely not. It's just not made for 50s. Made for big bikes, big wheels, you know, but definitely not made for 50s, that's for sure. It beat the crap out of me. I liked a little bit more smoother trail, but yeah, anyways, it was a great time, and I was glad that I went out to do some hill climbs, and yeah, let's get to the live action. Came out, it's called to come out to ride with the big boys. I didn't have a big bike, but it's all big boys over here. The only 50 here. See how this day is going to turn out. Heading out, going out for a rip. Get her done. What are you doing? Go, go.
Oh, shit. Holy shit. I don't know what I got myself into. But we'll find out.